Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna compare you this execution speeds of Impala and Hive. I'm going to show you how fast Impala is, then Hive. The queries and all, everything will be same. Just Impala is fast. Why Impala is fast? Because there is no map reduce taking place, and in Hive, there is a map reduce jobs and everything taking place. So I'll just compare you that. For that, first open our Cloudera, and inside that, let's connect our terminal to our Hive first. So open your terminal and just type Hive to connect your terminal to your Hive platform. It takes few seconds. Okay, so it's connected. Now let's see some good table to execute a simple query which can undergo a map reduce. Okay, so let's take project. Let's see the tables here. We have some uh, big tables, big datas here. So let's take roots here. I'm going to show you how big roots is. You can see it's a huge file. It's a huge file, and there are 67,000 rows, more than 67,000 rows. And now let's do some execution on this table so that there is a map reduce process, so which will show us like the same command which we'll be doing on Hive and on Impala, which will be faster. So let's do it on Hive first. For that, okay, I'll do just simple count. We know the count, it's 67,000 something. Let's do the same thing here because it will undergo a map reduce from roots. So you can see map reduce is starting. Before map reduce, there will be some yarn process Java, like yarn job processes. After that, your map reduce will start. Now your map reduce has started stage 1, map 0%. And to give the answer, just a one line answer of 67,663, you will see how much time it will take. Okay, so here it took almost 40 seconds to give answer 67,663. All right, so just one row, it fetched just one row. Now let's open Impala in another terminal and do the same thing, exactly same thing, and let's compare the speed. To connect your terminal to Impala, you just have to type Impala hash and shell. Okay, so you are connected to Impala right now. Now same thing we'll do, show databases, everything will be same. We have all the same databases. We'll take project, we are into project, and select from, we'll take the same roots table. Okay, I forgot. All right, so it's loading, actually it's loading. It's a quite big data, right? So it takes a little time to load. And trust me, this table will not come under your big data. Big datas are huge. Still loading. Okay, so same 67 thousand rows are there. Now let's use the same command here. You can see it took less than 1 minute or 1 second. It took zero point 0.2 seconds to give the answer 67,663. That's the beauty of Apache Impala. And that is why most of the companies are switching towards Impala. But Hive is also equally good because most of the commands which Hive supports right now, Impala doesn't. Right now, till date, Impala doesn't support so much queries and all. So they are equally good. If you want to work with simple queries, you can use Impala, and if you want to do some complicated stuff, you can go for Hive. But again, as I have shown you, Hive took 40 seconds for the same task, and Impala took 0 0.2 seconds. Okay, so that's all I want to show in this video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe it so that you can be updated what I'll upload next. And if you want me to do anything regarding big data or Hadoop or Apache, I'll make a video. Just type below in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.